How to set up Razorpay payment gateway in Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Razorpay payment gateway in Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage their own online stores with ease. It provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools for building websites, managing products, processing payments, and tracking orders. And Shopify supports various sales channels, including online stores, social media, and in-person sales through its POS system. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click the login or start for free button on the top right corner. After signing in, you will automatically be directed in here. And as you can see under the homepage, it will show you in here the overview of the things that you can do, and that includes to add a payment methods. Or alternatively, you can click the settings button below on the left side panel, and upon clicking the settings, in here just click the payments option. By clicking on it, it will show you a variety of options to navigate. Just click add payment method under supported payment methods. You could also go to the search bar under search by payment method or search by provider and search here the Razorpay. Upon searching on it, as you can see, there is no result for Razorpay since Razorpay is only available in various countries, since there is a country-based restriction for Razorpay. And although Razorpay has a documentation for Shopify integration, those kind of integration often expect the stores or country account to be a region Razorpay supports. And if you even go to this third-party payment options provider, there's not much of a Razorpay option. So in here, let's try to pretend that one of the payment method in here is just Razorpay, since Razorpay is only available for various country. So instead of Razorpay, let's say I'm going to use here as an example this one, which is Rakuten Pay. You can click this port 1 payments. By clicking on it, let's say this is a Razorpay, just click the install button on the top right corner since we also need to install on it on Razorpay. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, or you also need to install Razorpay as well as this one. After successfully installing the application of your payment method selected, the next thing that you need to do under here is to simply test this one by clicking or testing it by simply turning on the test mode, as you can see below. But before that, it will show you a variety of options in here that you could also turn on to use with your Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, American Express, and any other kind of payment option or methods. However, now to proceed to start testing what the payment gateway looks like of Razorpay as an example, kindly turn on this one, and after that just click the activate button on the top right corner. Or alternatively, you can proceed by clicking online store. Upon going on online store right here, you simply choose the product that firstly you want to purchase. As an example, we are the customer in here. By clicking on this product, we could also select here PayPal or either more payment options. By clicking more payment option, you should be able to see here the option that we just activated or turn on the test mode. And if does not work, you could also go to your page on online store and under theme section, just click the three dots right here and click the preview button to preview once again. Just choose again the product in here. But in here, as you can see, you could also select the countries that you prefer. Not by choosing the product, just choose here, for instance, instead of more payment options, which is not still working since you need to have a country supported payment options. So in here in this page, instead of, I'm going to choose the PayPal. So pay with PayPal by clicking the option of it. All you need to do is simply click to continue and also start signing in your PayPal account. Once done, you'll now be able to simply pay for the product using the chosen payment gateways, which is the Razorpay, if it is available in your country. So again, there must be a problem, and that includes your Shopify store is set to base currency or region where the plugin doesn't support. But the importance of using Razorpay, it provides a fast and secure, reliable way for businesses to accept and manage online payments. And overall, that is just how you can set up Razorpay payment gateway in Shopify. Thank you.